Hello everyone, very good evening and welcome to the BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive app for all competitive exams. And this is Sanjay Rathi, and today we will discuss octal and hexadecimal numbers. Okay, uh, please let me know that sound quality, picture quality, everything is fine. Yes, Sayal Malik, how are you? Okay. Now this is a GATE and ESE 2024. This is the fundamentals, digital electronics, and I am here to give you the idea about the octal and hexadecimal numbers. And this is very important topic. First of all, get the command over the number system, then automatically all other topic will become very easy for you. Okay, guys. Now I think everything is fine then. This is a session. And this is my small introduction. Myself Sanjay Rathi, ex-IES, and I have qualified and selected for engineering services exam. These are my ranks: 16 in ESE 2005 and 21 in ESE 2008. And this is my experience, 22 years of teaching experience, and I have mentored more than 1 lakh students for these competitive exams. Right now, yes, Rishi, how are you? Everyone, very good evening. Ricky Chaudhary. Okay. Now, this is a introduction. Now, this is a very important workshop for NILET examination for computer science branch. Okay, for computer science branch, computer department. How can you NILET 2023? This is an important date, that is 7th April at 7:30 p.m. by Satyanarayan Sir, 13 years of teaching experience. Okay. So, if you want to crack this exam, then this is the workshop for you. You can register for this workshop now. Then, in a previous class, I have discussed what binary number. Then, before that, I have given you the idea about the syllabus of the digital, how to get the command over the digital, which are the standard textbook. Now, this is the third lecture. This is the third lecture here. Yes, in every month we will cover what fundamentals of all the subject. Now, in front of you, there is a octal number. Right, initially we have discussed the binary number. So what was the binary number? What was the binary number? 0 and 1. Radix or base was 2, and this is the 0 and 1. These are the digits, only 2 digits, 0 and 1. Now this is a octal number. Base is what? 8, that is also called radix. And the number of digits is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and what? 7. Total 7. This is the highest one is what? 7. And remember, the digit is always less than what? 8, or it is what? Less than or equal to what? 7. Right. Then yes, in next class, tomorrow we will solve all the assignments received. Tomorrow we will solve all the assignments from the first class, from this class, and then tomorrow we will solve number of questions. So then, till then, please everyone try to solve those questions. Okay. Then guys, this is a octal number, has base of radix 8. These are the digits. The coefficient is multiplied by the power of 8. For example, if you want to write the 0, then it will be 0, 0. 1 is 0, 1, 2 is 0, 2, 3 is 0, 3, 4 is 0, 4, 5 is 0, 5, 6 is 0, 6, 7 is 0, 7. But if you want to write 8 in octal, then there is no symbol. This is an invalid symbol in what? 8. This is not a digit. So how we can write the 8 here? 8 is written as 10. 8 is written as 10. The power this value of this position is what? 8 to the power 0. Value of this position is 8 to the power 1, and it will become 1 into 8, and that is what? 8. Similarly, you can write 9 as 1, 1. Power of this position is 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1. This will become 1 into 8 plus 1 into 1, and that is nothing but 9. So 9 is written as 1, 1. 9 is written as 1, 1 in octal. This is what? Octal. Now, you will get idea why we are using the octal and hexadecimal. Why we are using the octal and hexadecimal. You will get the idea about that. Now, this is the case. Second one. This is the, for example, this is the coefficient. What is the weight according to the position? If it is the 0 position, weight is 80. 8 to the power 0. If it is the position 1, then 8 to the power n. It is the position 2, 8 to the power 2. It is the position 3, 8 to the power 3. And after point, this position is -1. That's why the weight is what? 8 to the power -1. This is the -2 position, 8 to the power -2. Now, what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Suppose you have any number 235.46. 235.46. Okay. It is in octal. It is in octal. Now, you have to find the decimal equivalent of this. Decimal equivalent of this. What is the decimal equivalent of this number? Now, 10, according to the position, the weight of this number is 8 to the power 0, then 8 to the power 1, then 8 to the power 2. This is 8 to the power -1, this is 8 to the power -2. Then guys, it will become 2 into 8 square, that is 64, plus 3 into 8, plus 5 into 8 to the power 0, plus 4 into 8 to the power -1, plus 6 into 8 to the power -2. 6 into 8 to the power -2. Now this is the 64 into 2, that is 128, plus 8 into 3, that is the 24, plus this is 1, that is 5, plus 4 by 8, that is nothing but 0.5, and this is 6 by 64. This is the 6 divided by 64. Now use your calculator and get the value. Then this will become 128 plus 24 plus 5. That is 157 point. This is 6 divided by 64 plus 0.5. 0.59375. 59375, and that is the decimal equivalent of this number. That is the decimal equivalent of this number if it is given in octal. So simply you can convert the octal into what? Decimal equivalent. So that is the decimal equivalent, guys. Very simple. Very simple thing. How we can convert the octal into what? Decimal. So this is the position wise weight, and that is the weight. Simply multiply it and then get the value. Before point, after point, and then how we can convert the decimal number into what? Octal. Decimal number into octal. For example, if you have any number 248, 248, how we can convert it into octal? Then you have to divide the 248 by what? 8. So when I am dividing the 248 divided by 8, yes, it is divisible. So it is the 3, 8 into 3, 24, 1, 31 times. And what is the remainder here? 0. Now 31 is divided by 8. It is 4 times 28. What is the remainder? 3. Now the 4 is divisible by 8 0 times. Then what is the remainder here? 4. What is the remainder here? 4. This is correct. This one is correct. Yes, guys. No. What is the normally? Yesterday I have told you that there is a chance of what? Silly mistake in digital. So normally we are doing what? Silly mistakes. So where is the silly mistakes? This is the silly mistakes. It is divisible 3 times, 1 times, that is 0. But when it is divisible 4 times, 8 into 4, 32, not divisible. It is not divisible. 8 into what? 3. That is it is divisible by 3 times, 24. And that it will become, what is the remainder here? 7. Then it is 0 time. What is the remainder here? 3. Then write in opposite direction. This will become most significant bit and this will become least significant number. Right? Not bit, that is the number. Least significant, most significant. This is the 370. Because in a binary we are saying that it is a bit 1 and 0, but it is in octal. So this is the case 370. It is in octal. Now you can check. This will become 3 into 8 square plus 7 into 8 raised to power 1 plus 0 into 8 raised to power 0. Now 64 into 3 and plus what? 56. And you will get the same answer, that is what? 248. That is the 248. So what is the way? Simply divide it, write the remainder here, and then in opposite direction. Then in opposite direction 370. This is converted into what? Octal. This is converted into octal. Okay. Then next number is what? Hexadecimal number. First of all, get the basic idea about the octal and hexadecimal. Then we will solve number of questions on hexadecimal and what? Octal. And again we will consider the binary to hexadecimal, binary to octal, octal to hexadecimal, or what? Hexadecimal to binary, each and everything. Okay. Then if it is a hexadecimal number, then the base or radix is what? 16. Base or radix is what? 16. The number of digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And after 9, there should be a total 16 digit. Then it is represented by A, B, C, D, E, F. Means digit is from 0 to 15. But 10 is represented by A, 11 by B, 12 by C, 13 by D, 14 by E, and 15 by what? F. So what are the valid digits? Up to 9, then A, B, C, D, E, F. So these are the total 16 digit in case of hexadecimal. Okay. Method will remain same. The weightage will remain same. What is the weightage of that? According to the position wise, suppose I want to convert. Let any number is given 1C3.4. This is in base 16. Tell me what is the decimal equivalent of this number. Everyone please give me the answer in comment box. Everyone try to solve this question. What is the number in decimal? Tell me. What is the number in decimal? Okay. What is the number in decimal? Then in decimal it will become, the weight of this position is 16 to the power 0, weight of this position is 16 to the power 1, weight of this position is 16 to the power 2, weight of this position is 16 to the power minus 1 after point. Then it will become 1 into 16 square. Remember C, always write this number A, B, C, D, E, F. This is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. C means what? 12. It will become 12 into 16 to the power 1 plus 3 into 16 to the power 0 plus after point it will become 4 into 16 to the power minus 1, that is 4 by 16. Now this is the 256 plus, you can multiply it and you will get the value here. Everyone please solve this. 12 into 16, that is plus 256 plus 3, 451. This number is 451 point. This is 4 by 16, that is the 0.25. This is called decimal equivalent of this number. Decimal equivalent of this number. So one student have given Sayal Malik 451.25. This is yes correct. This is the correct answer for this particular question, guys. Very, very easy one. Now 451.25. So this is the hexadecimal to what decimal? Now how we can convert the number 565 base 10 into hexadecimal? Then you have to divide it by what? 16. Divide it by what? 16. So just for it easy, when I am dividing 565, it is divisible 35 times. And what is the remainder then? 5. Yes, you can divide it. Then 35 is divisible by 16 2 times. Remainder again 3. And then 16 divided 2 to 0 times. What is the remainder? 2. 235 in opposite direction. So it will become, what is the answer? 235. So this is the 235 in hexadecimal. In hexadecimal it is what? 235. 565 is converted into hexadecimal. That is the simple division and you can find it. Okay. So this is the from decimal to what? Hexadecimal. Hexadecimal to what? Decimal. We can convert. Now this is a, try to understand, this is the binary number. That is the octal equivalent and this is the hexadecimal equivalent. This is the 0, 0, 0, 0. Actually it is 0. In octal it is 0, 0. In hexadecimal it is 0. Then this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7. Here it will remain same. Here it will remain same. In octal it will remain same. In hexadecimal it will remain same up to 7. But after 8 is 8 here, but here it will become 1 0 because the valid digit is what? Up to 7. This is actually 8. What is the weightage? 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 0. It is 8. What is 9? In the binary 9 is 1001. In octal it is a 11 and in hexadecimal it will remain 9. It is 10 in binary 1010 because what is the weight? 8421. In binary the weight is 8421. In octal 8 1. This is the weight. Now 11 and this is represented by A. 11 is represented by B, right? Remember one thing. I think this is the 9. Yes, this is 10 A, 11 B, but in octal it is represented by 13, 12 C, 13 D. I am writing the decimal equivalent. 14 E and 15 is represented by 1111. In hexadecimal it is represented by F and in octal it is represented by 17. That is 8 plus 7. This is what? 15. So this is the representation up to what? 15. Up to what? 15. So very good evening. How are you? Then this is the simple conversion. This is the decimal. This is binary. This is octal and this is what? Hexadecimal. In binary number weightage is 8421. In octal 81. In hexadecimal just I am giving you the single digit up to what? 15. 15 is represented by what? F here. Okay then everyone tell me what is the minimum decimal equivalent of 2C5? Okay, find the value. Give me the answer. Take your time. What is the minimum decimal equivalent of 2C5? Convert it into what decimal? 2C5. 2C5. Give me the answer. 2C5. Okay. Now, okay, everyone, please give me the answer in comments box. Okay then. When I am saying that it is a 2C5, then normally what we are thinking that if it is C is given, so we are saying that let the base is what? 16. Because when the base is 16, we have the symbol for A, P, C, D, E, F. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and what? 15. We are taking the base 16. When I am taking the base 16, it will become 16 to the power 0, 16 to the power 1, 16 to the power 2. It will become 2 into 16 square plus C. Already I have given C is the 12. 16 to the power 1 plus 5 into 16 to the power 0. 5 into 16 to the power 0. Now you can find the value. 16 square is 256 into 2 plus 12 into 16 plus 5 and you will get the answer 709. 709. But you are getting the 773 or 709. Check this. Yeah, but this is both are wrong. So if you are getting the 16 square into what? 512 plus and plus 5, 709 here. Now 709, right, try to understand. In this question where it is mentioned that its base is hexadecimal, not mentioned. Base is hexadecimal, not mentioned. What is the keyword here? What is the minimum decimal equivalent of this number? Minimum decimal equivalent of this number. So keyword is what? Minimum. Now minimum decimal equivalent you have to find. Then this is the symbol up to what? 2C5. So what is the maximum C? What is the C means? 12. C means what? 12. If suppose we are getting the base what? 12. If suppose we are taking the base what? 13. That is greater than what? 12. Greater than 12. Yes, we can choose. If the base is 13, what are the valid symbols? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are the valid symbols. If the hexadecimal, then it will goes up to what? F. So what is the minimum? The minimum we can take the base was 13. When I am taking the base 13, what is the 2C5 then? Base 13. It will become 2 into 13 square plus this is the 12 into 13 raised to power 1 plus 5 into 13 raised to power 0. Now you can find this is the 169 into 2, 338 plus 12 into 13, 156 plus 5. And we are getting the 499, and that answer is what? Correct. 499 is the correct answer for this particular question. I think you are getting the 499. Yes, 499 is the calculation. Please avoid the calculation mistake. Then this is the 499 is the correct answer for this particular question. Right? Sir, which subject you have taken? That digital. I am taking the digital here. Okay. Now this is the what? 499. So what is the keyword here? Minimum value. Minimum decimal equivalent. Then now everyone give me the answer. The number 225.4375 in hexadecimal number system is equivalent to. Means, sir, C is 12, then why we taken the 13? Nandita. C is 12, then we can take what? If the C is given means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 10 is represented by A, this is B and this is C. This C is mentioned in the question. Right now, your base or radix should be greater than what? Your base or radix should be greater than C. It should be what? Anything. You can take what? Base 13. Why 13? Because it is greater than 12. Or you can take 14, or you can get 15, or you can get 16, 17, 18. You can go up to what? Infinite. Now, if suppose I am giving the base infinity, then it will become infinite. This is the maximum. Tell me, if suppose I am taking the base 16, then I am going to get the minimum equivalent, or when I am taking the base 13, then I am going to get the minimum. किस केस में मिनिमम आएगा? किस केस में मिनिमम आएगा? जब मैं 16 बेस लूंगा तब मिनिमम आएगा, या फिर जब मैं 13 बेस लूंगा तब मिनिमम आएगा? नंदिता, तो जब आप 13 बेस लोगे, क्योंकि 13 12 से ज्यादा है तो ये वैलिड है, ये भी वैलिड है, ये भी वैलिड है, ये भी वैलिड है, ये भी वैलिड है. तो किसी भी नंबर में अगर जो बेस दिया हुआ है तो उसका जो नंबर जो उसमें डिजिट आनी चाहिए वो उससे कम आनी चाहिए. तो दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई वी आर टेकिंग द 13 एज अ बेस. ओके, देन इफ दिस इज द केस, फॉर एग्जांपल 225.4375, first of all convert the 225 in hexadecimal, divided by the 16. It is divisible by 1 time, then this is the 65 4 times, I think remainder is 1. Then it is divisible by 0 time, remainder is 14. And what is the 14? 14 in D. Always write this A, B, C, D, E. So this is the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is E, not D. देखिए ये this is called silly mistake. E. Now write in opposite direction, it will become E1. Point. In which case E1? In both the cases. Means these two are wrong. Now 0.4375, 0.4375, it should be multiplied by what? What is the method? 4375 should be multiplied with what? 16. And then if it is multiplied with the 16, everyone tell me, 0.4375, 7 into 16 into 5, 80. Then 16 into 7, 112 plus 8, 120. You will get the 12 as the 16 into 3, 48, 48 plus 12, 60, 64 plus 6, 64 plus 6 is what? 70. It will become 7.000. Now take the 7 outside, and this 0.0000 is multiplied with the 16, then further multiplication will stop here. So after point, this is right in this direction. So after point you will get the 7. So this will become E1.7. E1.7. Which answer is correct? C. Which answer is correct? C is the correct answer for this question. So once, but this is very lengthy, but once it is multiplied in one step, it will be over. You are getting the 7 only. After 0.7 and after that, it is the E and D. 14. Right, I think this is correct. This is all correct. Yes. Now, that is the case. So this is a very simple way to convert into what? Hexadecimal. Then guys, when the number is converted into the octal number, the equivalent number will be 211 in octal. 211, it is divided by what? 8. Then you can convert it into what? Simply by division you can convert it into. It is a homework for you. It is a very easy question. It is just a homework for you. You can convert it into what? Octal number, guys. Okay. Now, next one is, next. Now, very simple, convert it into what? Octal. Then, this question, tell me, n square 10, this is the n square base 10 is equal to 7601 in base 8, where n is a positive integer, then the value of n is. So, Sayan Malik, you are getting the 323. Yes, if it is right, then yes, you can verify it. If n square base 10, base is 10, 7601, where n is the positive integer, then the value of n is. Now the base is what? 5 or 7 or 6 or 16. Then first of all, what is the value of the n? You have to find. This is the integer. First of all, 7601, it is in base 8. What is this? 7. This is 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 2, 8 to the power 3. 7 into 8 to the power 3 plus 6 into 8 square plus 0 into 8 to the power 1 plus 1 into 8 to the power 0. Now you can find the exact value. What is this? 3584 plus 3968. This is the 3968 plus 1. 3969. Total value is 3969. Total value is 3969. This is equal to what? N square. So what is the n? Root of that. Find the root of this value. 63. 63 is the value actually. The integer n is what? 63. Now, this is in decimal. This is what? 63. It is in decimal. Now, convert it. Suppose, now you have to verify it. If suppose I am going to verify, first of all, 241. 2 into 5 square, this will become 5 square plus 4 into 5 plus 1. What is this? 25 into 2. This is the 25 into 2, 50. Plus what? 20 plus 1. This is 71. It is more than that. This is not the right answer. Then 165. It will become 7 square plus. This is the 7 square plus 6 into 7 plus what? 5. So already it is 49 plus what? 42. It is more than 63. No need. Then 143. 143 is what? 6 square plus 4 into 6 plus what? 3. 36 plus 24. That is what? 60 plus 63. This is the right answer. This one is the right answer for your question. Yes, Sayan Malik, you have given the right answer. 143 base 6 is the right answer for this question. So this type of question we can expect from the octal and what? From binary. Then how we can convert? How we can convert the binary to base, any base? For example, it may be the base 4 or it may be the base 8, or it may be the base 16 or 32. Then if you want to convert the binary into octal or binary into hexadecimal, then remember 2 to the power n. For example, if it is 8, you can find the value of n is 3. If the 2 to the power n is 16, then you can find the value 4. Okay. If the 2 to the power n is 4, for example, then n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. In case if you want to convert the octal into binary, then you have to make the group of 3 digit. You have to make the group of 3 digit. Or if you want to convert the hexadecimal into binary, then you have to find binary to hexadecimal, then you have to find the group make the group of 4 digit if you want to convert the binary into hexadecimal. So that is the method. Now we will solve some question on that. First of all, this number is given 110.101. Convert it into hexadecimal binary, it is given. Since 8 is equal to 2 to the power 3, you have to make the group of 3. And remember 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. These are the 8 combinations. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now, when I am making the group, always remember what is the method here. From the point, go left, and now you can put 2 insignificant 0 here. So this is the group of 3. Similarly, make the after point, go right. This is the group of 3. Now, this 0, 0, 1 is 1, 1, 0, 1 is 5, 0, 0, 1 is 1, 0.5. It is actually 151.5 in octal. 151.5 in octal. Yes, you have given the right answer, Rishi. Yes, 151.5. This is the simple method. Make the group of 3. So number of students have given the right answer. This is the 151.5. Now, if suppose 151.5, it is in octal. If it is in octal, now if you want to convert it into binary, then every digit is represented by 3 binary digit or 3 bits. Now what is 1? 0, 0, 1. What is 5? 1, 0, 1. Every digit represented by the 3 bit. 1, 0, 0, 1. 5, 1, 0, 1. Now these 2 are insignificant, and that's why again you will get the binary number. Same binary. This is called octal to binary. This is called octal to binary representation. Octal to what? Binary representation or conversion from octal to binary. Right? Again, that is a very easy method. Then simply you can convert from octal to binary. But always every digit will be represented by 3 bits. Then next question is, okay, you have to convert it into hexadecimal. Hexa means 16 is 2 to the power 4. So group of 4 bits. Now what is written here? 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Please check this. 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0.101, 101. Now, you have to make the group of 4? From the point, this is the 4, this is 4 and that is 4. Insignificant 0 you can add here. Now on the right side, this is 4 and this is 4. Tell me what is the answer, everyone. What is the answer for this? What is the answer for this? Now you have to write 10 is represented by A, 11 is represented by B, 12 is represented by C, 13 is represented by D. And what is 10? 10, 10. What is 11? 10, 11. 12, 1100. 13, 1101. 14, 1110. 15, 1111. This is the 14. 14 is represented by E and the 15 is represented by F. 1010 is 10. 10 is represented by A. 1110 is 14. 14 is represented by E. 0010 is 2. 2EA. 2EA point, you are writing what? B1. Sayan Malik. You are giving B1 down. That is the mistake, guys. That is the mistake here. What is this? 1011. 1011 is 11. It is written as B. But this is not 0. You have to add the insignificant 0 here. Make the group of 4. Now tell me 0100 is what? 1 or 4? 0100 is 1 or 4? Everyone tell me. This is 4, not 1. It is what? 4. You have to add the insignificant 0 here. 0100 is actually 4. 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is what? 4. So what is the answer here? It will become 2EA point B4. 2EA point B4. Okay. So this is a, remember that. Now, insignificant 0 here, insignificant 0 here. Now you have the 2EA B4. Suppose it is the 2EA B4. This is in hexadecimal. Now convert it into binary. Reverse. Reverse means every digit is represented by what? 4 bit. 4 bit. 4 bit. So what is 2? 0, 0, 1, 0. What is E? 14. 1, 1, 1, 0. What is A? 10. 1, 0, 1, 0. What is B? 11. 1, 0, 1, 1. What is 4? 0, 1, 0, 0. Now this is insignificant, that is insignificant, then you will get the same answer. Point. You can remove this 0, you can remove this 0. So that is what hexadecimal to binary. Hexadecimal to binary representation. Okay. I think now it is clear up to this point. Hexadecimal to binary and binary to hexadecimal. Then tell me guys, if suppose I want to add these two numbers, it is in octal. 27, it is in octal, plus 36, it is in octal. What is the result in octal, everyone? What is in octal? What will be the result in octal? Octal addition, and we want the result in octal. Then remember, in octal, the valid digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. If the sum is coming more than 7, if the sum is coming more than 7, means there will be carry. There will be carry. And you have to subtract the base from that. What is the base here? 8. For example, if the 27 plus 36, now 27 plus 36, it is in octal, it is in octal. 7 plus 6 is 13. Tell me, 13 is here? No. 13 is greater than the 7. Then you have to subtract the 8 from this. When I am subtracting the 8 from this, what is the difference? 5. You have to write the 5 here. Because 8 plus 5 is 13. Now carry here. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 65. The answer is what? 65. Answer is what? 65 base 8. That is the method. That is the method. In normally in decimal, what we are subtracting? 10. Here the base is 8. Then you have to subtract what? 8. For example, in a decimal, what we are doing? For example, this is the 29 plus 28. 38 we want to add in decimal. So 9 plus 8 is what? 17. So we are subtracting 10. It will become 7, carry 1. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. So 67, this is in decimal. So actually we are subtracting the base number and we are getting the carry here. From this you have to subtract the base. 7 plus 6, 13 minus 8, that is the 5, and then 1 carry, it will become 65 is the right answer for this question. Okay, now tell me. It is in hexadecimal. It is in hexa. What is the result in hexa? H, that is for 16 we can represent H here. And tomorrow, guys, this is a very, very important session. I am going to discuss what ones complement and twos complement method, because once you will get the idea about the ones complement, twos complement, then you can understand what is the addition, what is the subtraction by using the ones complement method, twos complement method, what is the meaning of the nines complement, what is the meaning of the tens complement, then right, और ये इसको हम कैसे subtraction में use करते हैं, उसके बाद आप समझ पाएंगे साइन मैग्नीट्यूड रिप्रेजेंटेशन, साइन वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट रिप्रेजेंटेशन, साइन टूस कॉम्प्लीमेंट रिप्रेजेंटेशन, what is the condition for the overflow. Okay sir, you are from computer science, good. And this is the digital is common for what computer science and what electronics and electrical students. So okay, then so everyone subscribe the channel and like the session. Now if suppose I want to add these two number in hexadecimal, so what will be the result? Simply 2e 7f. Number of students are confused with that. What is the meaning? What is the value? So always write this value. A for 10, B for 11, C for 12, D for 13, E for 14, and F for what? 15. So that there will be no silly mistakes. When I am adding E and F, so what is the E? 14. What is the F? 15. 14 plus 15 is what? 29. 29 is out of the range. So from the 29, you have to subtract the what? 16. When I am subtracting the 16, you will get the 13 here. What is the 13? D. It will become D. And you will get one carry here. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. What is the 10 here? A. 10 is A. So it is AD. AD. You will get the answer. So Nandita Raj, you have to add the carry also, because when we are subtracting means what? There is a generation of a carry, because the 29 is written as what? 1D. You can check in hexadecimal, it is written as 1D. What is 1? 16 plus what is D? 13. Add these two number, you will get the 29. You will get the number 29. Okay. So this is the result 9D. So that is called hexadecimal addition. You with the help of this you can do the hexadecimal addition also. Now tell me what is the answer here? Fast. 2F0.C3. 2 means it is hexadecimal is converted into binary. It is represented by the 4-bit 11. Point C, A for 10, B for 11, C for 12. And what is the 3? This is the 3. Every bit is represented by what? 4 digit. So this is the actual. And you can ignore this. And that is the answer. That is the answer for this question. It is converted into what? Binary. That is converted into binary. Very, very simple one. Very, very simple one. Directly you can convert it into binary. Then, take this type of question in GATE examination. In 2017, 1 mark question. The representation of the value of the 16-bit unsigned integer x in hexadecimal number system is BCA9. The representation of the value of x in the octal number is. Tell me which answer is correct. Octal number is BCA9. You have to convert it into octal. So what is the easy method? Some student will do, what will they will do? First of all, they will convert it into what? Decimal, then decimal is converted into octal. But we will convert it into what? Binary, then binary to what? Again octal. So what is the B? B is what? Remember, B is 11. A is 10. C is what? 12. Right? 3 things is required. 11. 11 is represented by 1011. 1011. C is represented by 12. 12 means 1100. A is represented by 1010. And 9 is represented by 9. 9 means what? 1001. That is, this is converted into what? Binary. Now make the group of what? 3 bits. When I am making the group of 3, it will become 1, it will become 5, This is what 2. It is 110 is 6. 011 is 3. And this is, you can add the 2 insignificant 0 here, so it will become 1. 136251. 136251. This is the D is the correct answer. 136251. Okay, no need to convert it into decimal. Hexa to binary, binary to octal. That is the easy method here. Okay. Number system, I think that is very, very easy for you, now. Now tell me. Then the value of x is. This is not the right answer. Give me the answer. These are not the right answer. There is some printing mistake. If what is the base here? 4. Remember, if the base is 4 means what? 2 to the power is 4. You have to represent in what? 2 digit. And then convert it into octal. Then again the group of 3 bits. If it is a 3003.22. Again, if the base is 4, then valid digit is 0123. 0123. It is always less than what? Base number. The base is 4, that's why the valid digit is 0123. Now the 3 is represented in 2 bit, that is what? 11. 0 0 0. This 0 0 0. This 3 1 1. 1 0 1 0. Now this is the, in a base 4, it is converted into what? Binary. It is converted into binary. Now you want to convert it to octal, then this is the case. Group of 3. Group of 3. 0113 0 0113.101 is 5. 303.5. 303.5. That is the right answer. So yes, Sayal, your answer is correct. 303.5. That is the case. Okay. Now tell me, what is the possible? Consider the equation number 135 base 6 x7y. The number of possible solution is. Number of possible solution is. What is the possible solution in this case? Tell me. We are using the random bases here, not the octal, not the binary. 135 base 6 is equal to what? X7 base what? Y. Base Y. Right? Then how many possible solutions so that this equation will satisfy? Always you have to find the x or y what? Integer. Then x and y. If the base, remember, if the base or radix is y, this is the base, and this is the digit here. Always remember, the digit is always less than what? Base. So what is the base here? Y. X is always less than y, because this is the digit and that is the base, and the digit should be always less than the base. So x is always less than the y. Now this is the 135, so it will become 1 into 6 square plus 3 into 6 raised to power 1 plus 5 into 6 raised to power 0. It is the 36 plus 18 plus what? 5. Now please add these 3 numbers. What is this? 36 plus 18 plus 5, 59. 36 plus 18 plus 5, that is what? 59. This side we are getting the 59. I think now it is correct. Now here x7y. It will become xy plus 7. Y raised to power 0. Because the base is y, so x into y raised to power 1 plus 7 into y raised to power 0, and that is equal to what? 59. Then this is 1. It will become xy is equal to 59 minus 7, that is 52. Now, x is always less than what? Y. X is always less than what? Y. First of all, I am choosing what? Let x is equal to 1. Then y will become what? 52. That is called first solution. When I am getting the x is equal to 1, y is equal to what? 52. That is the first solution. Second solution. When I am getting the x is equal to 2, y will become 26. It is also correct because x is less than y. Third, if you are getting that x is equal to 3, but it is not divisible by what? 3. So you will get the y in point, and that's why it is invalid. Fourth, x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Yes, it is divisible. Yes. How much? How many times? This is the 4, 3, 13 times. Right? 13 times. Then when I am taking the 5, not divisible. 6, not divisible. Right? Now, when I am increasing the value of x, the value of the y will what? Decrease. And always remember, x should be greater than what? X should be always less than what? Y. And that's why what are the valid solution? Only 3 valid solution. First one, second one, and this is the third one. This is the third one. So this is the 3 valid solution, not infinite. Not infinite. So B is the correct answer for this question. So guys, try to solve this type of questions. You got the idea about the binary and hexadecimal. Now it is time for the assignment. I am giving you the 2 assignments, guys. Try to solve this question. Tomorrow we will solve. What is the decimal equivalent of hexadecimal number BF9? So everyone, please give me the answer in the comments box. What is the BF9? Convert the hexadecimal number into what decimal? It is a very, very easy question. Then second one, conversion of 98.75 into the binary, octal and hexadecimal number system respectively. What is in binary, what is in octal and what is in hexadecimal? So this is another homework or assignments for you. Please try to solve this and give me the answer. This is the assignment for you. And tomorrow we will discuss what? R's complement and R minus 1's complement. R's complement or R minus 1's complement means, for example, first of all, I will start with the 10's complement, 9's complement. Then second one is 2's complement, 1's complement. Here the base is what? 10. Here the base is what? 2. Then we will discuss 8's complements and 7's complement. Then the base is what? 8. Then we will discuss 16's complement and F's complement. F means 15's complement. Then the base is what? 16. And randomly we will get the general formula. So base, and what is the use of this 10's complement, 9's complement, 2's complement, 1's complement, and you will get the idea about the addition and what? Subtraction. So how we are going to subtract the 2 numbers by using the complement method. Okay, this is the complements method. So this is the very, very simple one. 98.75, convert it into what? Or hexadecimal, directly convert it into hexadecimal, then hexa to what? Binary, and then binary to what? Octal. Yes, you can. First of all, convert it into hexa, then hexa to what? Binary, and binary to what? Octal. Or convert it into octal, then binary, then hexa. You will get the answer for this question. Yes, any radix or radix minus 1. This is the radix or radix minus 1's complement. We will find the numbers, and I will give you the idea what is the use of these numbers. What is the use of this R's and R minus 1's complement. Okay then. And you will also get the idea about the self-complementary code. So guys, this is all about the octal and hexadecimal. Now EAC Mains 2023, a practice course for electrical, electronics, civil and mechanical branch is going on, right? Live conventional practice classes, conventional paper test evaluation by expert faculty, live doubt sessions. You can enroll now. This is the free course, already started from the 3rd April. We will discuss questions. Those are important for what? Mains examination. That is in what? 25th June. तो आप आइए हमारे साथ तैयारी कीजिए और क्वेश्चन का आंसर कैसे लिखते वो हम आपको बताएंगे. देखो इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज में ना मेंस का रोल सबसे ज्यादा होता है. आपने प्री निकाल लिया, मेंस में आप बहुत ज्यादा नंबर गेन कर सकते हैं और एक मार्जिन ले सकते हैं. फिर इंटरव्यू तो डिपेंड करता है, वो नेक्स्ट स्टेज है. लेकिन मेंस में आपके पास सब्जेक्टिव पेपर है, चॉइसेस भी है. 480 नंबर का पहला पेपर, उसमें से आपको 300 मार्क्स बनाने, फिर अगेन 480 मार्क्स सेकंड पेपर, फिर अगेन आपको 300 मार्क्स बनाने. तो आपके पास चॉइस है. क्वेश्चन कैसे सेलेक्ट किए जाते हैं, आंसर कैसे लिखना है, सब कुछ यहां पर डिस्कस होने वाला है. साथ में जो आप आंसर लिख कर देंगे तो उसका इवैल्यूएशन भी होगा. आपकी कॉपी चेक होगी और आपको बताया जाएगा कि इसको कैसे इंप्रूव किया जा सकता है. You can get my notes on my Telegram channel, that is Electronics by Sanjay Rathi. Okay, PDF. Now, this is our result this year in GATE 2023, guys. 62 rank under 50, 13 rank under 100, and 107 rank under AIR 100. So these are our rankers. Continuously results are हैं. Then guys, you are on BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive app for all exams. Thank you for attending the session. Like the session, subscribe our channel and share the link of this session. Thank you and good night.